In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Elementor theme. Elementor is a powerful page builder for WordPress that allows you to create stunning website designs with ease. Sometimes, you may need to switch themes to update the look and feel of your site or to improve functionality. Regardless of your reasons, this process can be very simple if you follow a few straightforward steps. First off, it's essential to back up your website. Before you make any changes to your theme, creating a backup is a smart move. It ensures that all your current settings, content, and style elements are preserved, and should something go awry, you can easily revert to the previous state. You can use a plugin like Updraft Plus, which simplifies the backup process by allowing you to save your site's data to a cloud storage service. Making a backup isn't just a precaution, it's a safeguard for your hard work. Once you're confident that your site is safely backed up, you need to choose a new theme. Selecting the right theme is crucial because it determines the overall aesthetic and the underlying framework of your site. Consider what features are important for your website and make sure the theme you choose is compatible with Elementor, as not all WordPress themes work seamlessly with it. You'll want a theme that supports the full potential of Elementor's design capabilities. The Hello theme by Elementor is always a solid choice due to its lightweight nature and customization possibilities. With your theme in mind, let's proceed to install it. Head over to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Appearance and then Themes. Here, you'll see an array of themes that you might have previously installed. To add a new one, simply click on Add New. This will guide you to WordPress's theme repository. If you've chosen a theme available here, you can search for it directly in the search bar. Once you find your desired theme, click Install. If your theme is a downloaded .zip file from an external source, make sure to upload it by clicking on Upload Theme. After uploading, don't forget to click Install, and then Activate to apply it to your site. Activating the theme effectively applies its design and features to your WordPress site. However, some widgets or settings might not align perfectly as you transition, so now's the time for some cleanup and customization. Navigate through the Theme Customizer in your WordPress dashboard where you can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts. Pay special attention to your menus, widgets, and any custom code you might be utilizing. Taking some time to tweak these settings helps maintain your website's design integrity and navigational clarity. Finally, test your site thoroughly. After making these changes, ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Go through each page, check links, and perform a browser test to make sure your site looks great on devices of all sizes. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Elementor theme. Remember, switching themes doesn't have to be daunting, and with your knowledge now, you can confidently update and maintain your website's appearance with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!